Hello, everyone. Good morning. So, if you haven't watched yesterday, we went around the lake to see some ducks and some squirrels. I thought there was some rats too, but there wasn't. There luckily wasn't. We got a pack of 8 slimes, and guess what it is now up to? Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna do some satisfying slime with this. Yeah, how about that, folks? There's a result now. Oh. Alright, I called them. So now I can go to 5 guys. Well, we need 3 other guys.
Huh?
We need 3 other guys.
2?
Make it 5 guys.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you know that
Yes.
our perfume has been delivered?
The perfume.
The Samiyaki?
Whoa. It's delivered.
Yes.
Oh, wow. 7
Okay.
minutes ago.
Yes.
How amazing.
And after we come back home, I'm going to go to Tenerife just to pick
Yeah.
it up.
Wow, I thought we were going to visit Hakan today.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. You're rapping like Snoop.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
But I don't think that's Snoop style either.
What? No, that.
I never see Snoop wearing a hat.
Oh, yeah, that's right. He was just wearing a little band.
Or stuff like that, or weird kind of...
Just like me. Just like that, just like me.
Yeah,
Just don't give a crap like me.
that's right.
Oh, I got caught.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Yeah. I think so.
Looks like to me.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Just try another 5 minutes and then.
Ba 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 ba.
No. I thought you were gonna not catch me.
Kikir, and kikir.
Alright. Free for all.
Now it's our turn. Here we go. Ba 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 ba.
Come on!
What
Come
is
on!
happening?
Come on!
What's
Come
happening?
on!
Help me.
Oh,
What
no.
exactly is happening to my tushy?
Oh no! Okay, this time I'm gonna bring it.
Hava, hava. My God! My forest butt. Oh my God! Oh my God! Is my butt is on fire now? It will be shortly.
And my butt is on
Fire too.
ice.
Let me put mine on ice as well, man. Come on, kick it. Oh.
These things are so amazing to play around with.
Yeah. Somebody's playing
When
with
someone
the
wants to get a frozen butt.
Yeah, and somebody is playing with things.
Just like me when I get a frozen butt every time. You look at my frozen ass.
Hava. My God, it's turned off. Shit. Mister? I
Whoa.
would think so.
You believe in that? Alright.
Care for some iced tea?
I only care for.
Did you see it as a little childish for you nowadays?
Let's see. Oh, it was right there.
That's true.
Yeah, the cinemas.
Correct. Edwards.
At the top, Edward Cinemas. At the top, there's a number 20 because there's 20 theaters.
Sure.
But yeah, Toy Story 4, it was still fun, although for a 17-year-old guy, it was fun. Yep. I mean, Andy was also at that age once, when he removed his toys.
Correct.
Hmm.
Oh, look at
Oh, wait, we got some squeezies? Really? These must be also like stress balls.
Will I get one of those? Yeah.
Wow.
Did you see those?
Which ones? The magic stretch.
That's another stress ball kind of a thing like this.
Yeah, no. It's just... Oh, it's a stress ball. I think this one is a stress ball. Oh, that's a dinosaur egg.
Oh yeah, wanna get one?
And it's just a squishy toy.
These are more like the science projects. Wanna take a look?
The science projects. One of them's the volcano kind of thing.
Yep.
One of them is the discovery stuff.
And some sea creatures.
Sea
And
creatures.
underwater
Underwater.
Volcano.
Yep. Funny.
And there is some magnetism stuff.
Crystals. Whoa, a magnetic putty.
And there's a skeleton.
Whoa. Inside the human body.
And this is the brain situation.
Yeah, another body. Yeah, sometimes we do skip some aisles around. Is it?
See what it is.
Oh no, that's the decoration stuff. We'll skip that too.
And these parts is...
That's also, yeah, that's
But you
also
can
another
take a
part
look
we
at
should
it. This is
skip.
the sales.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, this says it says. Curious, you see all those signs?
Whoa.
Skip that out.
Just ask a team member for information and our latest
Oh, man.
calendar.
Wait.
Would you like to get it?
So I'm gonna go to the dinosaur aisle. Oh no, that's not the dinosaur aisle. Nope. You already went there. What could that be? Oh, found it. I found it. This is where we were last time to find a tiger.
Find it?
Find. Oh! Found it.
Look, I found.
What you found? A dino poop. What? So the poop of this funny guy.
Yeah? Wanna get that?
Cool. Let's get this T-Rex.
Let me see how much it is.
This is gonna be my third T-Rex.
That's true.
Fun fact. Other than there's even a bigger T-Rex. Along with some big alligators,
Is that right?
a grizzly bear, and a big old eagle. Holy moly! There's so many stuff. And a pterodactyl too.
Where did you find this guy, son? Which aisle? Remember?
What?
On which shelf?
I found it right there.
Some here?
Yes.
Okay.
See you later, dinosaurs. What vegetable stuff?
Did you see these mini guys?
Vegetable stuff, really?
Did you see the rabbits and the fox and...
The bamboos. What? Whoa! I think there's so many of them.
Yeah,
Which one would you like the most if you would have to pick?
let me see. I would possibly go
With?
that dog over there. Or with the dog house.
I would rather
Or the
go.
porcupine is nice.
I would rather go with. I would rather go with. Dirt, dirt, dirt.
No, 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 no. No, no, no,
Yeah.
no. No.
Also, I would go with this one, the turtle.
Oh, turtle is nice.
Well, what if there's a chicken here? If there was a chicken here, then that would be
Wanna
great.
get one of those?
No, I wouldn't. If I had to pick, then that's some ideas.
What about these?
Oh, what the heck happened? Okay, we just found something funny.
I'm asking you because it's interesting for you.
Is this like its official sticker book?
Maybe for more kiddo stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I mean it. Well, I was actually planning to get a squishy toy coming. Yeah, we're gonna get a squishy toy next. Yeah. Okay, now. Oh, it's right. So, guys, my father just had a little bit of a meeting with his boss, and now we're about to head to Starbucks for a prime time. 5:30 p.m. Nope, not even near that sign. That's my father right there. I just noticed. Oh, I'm coming. Don't worry about it. Hey, remain right there. Hi. I'm waiting another drink. And then we have a big issue to fix when we come back home. And yeah, we're gonna be staying home tonight. It's not gonna be adventurous. Like yesterday we watched Toy Story, today's not gonna be the same. 6:01 p.m. and now I'm heading to swim. Yeah, normally I would go there around 3:30, but today I'm going later because of a big issue we have to fix in the house, and we took a little break from it. Alright, I'm done with the pool. I'm not gonna get into the jacuzzi because somebody else is over there. Oh my god, I am freezing right now, guys. Like, it is cold when you get out of the pool. After we get used to temperatures. Nope, we didn't go anywhere this evening. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. In the next few days, so tomorrow's gonna be July 3rd, and then Thursday will be July 4th. We're gonna watch the fireworks, and then let me tell you, Friday my mom is gonna leave for 1 week due to some business related things. So from Friday onwards, it's just gonna be me and my father. But depends on how we're doing the vlogs. Like, I might go back to that lake again to explore some different things, But we'll face for now, like for today and nowadays. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.